previous classes, we start the e-commerce, then we learn the e-payment. Lastly, we learn about the blogging, how to do the blogging, podcast, and the social networking that you are already using. Now, next we are going to learn the virtual reality. Before starting the topic, I want to ask you that have you seen any 3D movies? क्या आपने कभी 3D मूवीज देखी है? हाँ? Yes. हाँ. What will be happen in that? क्या होता है उसमें? Most of the students view the 3D movies and they know what will be happen in the 3D movies. That is called the virtual reality. Have you seen a game? I'm asking to most of the boys that have you seen a game that is for the military type or some of the soldiers that you have to shoot a person that is look at 3D in the mobile phone. I can see that I don't remember the name of game, but it's look like a 3D. Then you have to go to inside it. Soldiers are that you have to shoot them and like that. Except I don't remember the proper name of that game. Well, if you don't know, then you can see that also, or you can search about that type of game also that is available on the Play Store. That are many more games are for that. So that already you know the name is that virtual reality. So what is the meaning of virtual reality? If you don't know what you have to be write down in the virtual reality, just remember the examples. Examples पता होगे तो आप easily लिख पाओगे. So what is the virtual reality? It refers to the use of computer technology to create an artificial or simulated environment where users are fully immersed. आपको ऐसा ही लगेगा कि आपके पास में ही है. Whenever you just bring out your 3D goggles, whenever you go for the 3D movies, you know that they are give you the sum of specs. Sorry. And you have to be wearing and using of that you can watch that movies. So what is the virtual reality? Remember the examples. Most of virtual reality is used for the training of soldiers. If you have a between us login, you can see the video of virtual reality. That is easy for you to understand what is the virtual reality, how it will be used. What will be happen in the virtual reality? It will be use the eye goggles that is in the 3D movies. You can see here in the image also. Spatial gloves, headphones, and the powerful computer to get the feeling of reality. आपको ऐसा ही लगेगा ये मेरे सामने ही है. आपको ऐसा ही लगता है. Whenever you go for the 3D movies, you can feel that they are with you, not on the screen. But whenever you go for the 3D movie, na, just uh, don't wear the goggles for a few seconds. You can see that all things will be blurred. But whenever you wear that eye goggles, na, it will become real to you. वो आपके पास में ही है, जैसे आपके साथ ही कुछ कर रहा है. That is a one on the museum. You can say that space technology will be there. It will be go for the journey of the space. It will be sit you on the one place and start the animation to you and give you the goggles also. And it will be show that you are going on the space also. I see that in the Ahmedabad science city. साइंस सिटी में है जिसमें ऐसा दिखाया जाता है कि आप स्पेस में जा रहे हो. इट विल बी गो टू द इट्स अ जर्नी ऑफ द स्पेस and you can see what will be happen in the space whenever you go for the journey of the space. So what are the uses of VR? VR means virtual reality. In the exam, if VR word is using, you have to remember the virtual reality. Objects will be get bigger as you move closer and smaller as you walk away from them. Second, as you move around, the direction of sound also changes. Means far, then it's a low sound. Objects in VR environment appear to be same size as they would look in the real world. not on the bigger from the actual one. Applications why we are using it allow the architects to walk around the virtual version of their designs to get the better idea of what is the finished building will look like. Second, it is used for the training of the soldiers. And the third one, it is used to train the surgeons to practice the surgery process over and over until they have to be perfect it. That there is a minimal risk to real patients. So these are the big benefit and use the virtual reality that is also used for the fun as you are doing for the movies. Next one is the artificial intelligence. Can you tell me what is the image? Tell you about ये इमेज किसकी है? Can you tell me the name? What you feel? Huh? Please mute yourself if you don't know the answer. Continue. Can you tell me what is the image? ये किसकी image है? आप मुझे बता सकते हो? Have you seen the movie Robot or 2.0? Oh, yes, 2.0. Have you seen that movie? Anyone? 2.2? 2.0. Okay, 2.0. Have you seen that? What will be given in that movie? Sorry? What is the movements? The movies depend on which character? Robot. Means everyone know about the robot. What is the robot? How they work? Anyone see the robot? Where? Dubai. Very good. Anyone else? So tell me what the robot will be doing in the Dubai. What is the work of it? Okay. Can it work like us or think like us? Uh-huh. Means everything will be depend on the chip. If you are putting a good chip, then yeah, battery is also necessary. If there is no power, then how can it be work? Our mobile cannot work, so robot how can be work? Means everyone know about the robot. It's a fifth generation of computer. Whenever you hear the, please mute yourself. Whenever you hear the word robot, it's a fifth generation of computer. In the robots, that is use of artificial intelligence that is very beneficial for the human being for their workout, for the thinking power or skilling power. So artificial intelligence, short form AI, is ability of computer based on the machine to carry out the activities involving the reasoning and learning that only humans can perform using their intelligence. It will be look like, sometimes it will be look like a humans. You can see in the movie Robot, the uh, what is the name of hero? Yes, Rajnikant. Whenever he make a one robot, he made a robot, the face will be given by him is same. So you can not understood that it is a human or robots whenever it will be give the skin to the robots. So you can uh, do the work, you can take a work from the robots also. And in the robotics, that is use of artificial intelligence. What is the artificial intelligence? It's a one type of technology to work for the robotics. Artificial intelligence, it's nothing, it's a fifth generation of computer. If you don't remember the what is the artificial intelligence, just remember the example of that is the robotics. It also covers the broad range of domains and application. It has a lots of application in field of robotics. Everyone can see the robotics, how it will be work and how can they work. Here is the sum of the impact of the artificial intelligence, means the benefits of the robotics, you can say that, or the benefits of the technology is given to you here. You can read it. If you don't understood, you can ask me on the next class. Next, argument reality. What is the meaning of reality? First, we learn the virtual reality, and second is the augmented reality. What do you mean by that? What is the meaning of reality? Tell me. Anyone? रियलिटी का मतलब पूछ रही हूँ मैं, आर्ग्यूमेंटेड का मतलब नहीं पूछ रही हूँ. या इट्स अ ट्रुथ, इट्स द परफेक्ट वर्ड. जैसे मैं अभी आपके पास आपके पेरेंट्स खड़े हैं, दे आर रियल, राइट? आई एम we are talking with the zoom, I'm not really there, but you can see me, you can see me, right? I'm not really there, but you can see me. That's a reality. Or you can see the example, take an example of the virtual reality, that it's not there, but you can say that they are there. So argument reality. Sorry, can you please again repeat? It's a look like which card? Mm-hmm. Different specs. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you can take an example of that time. Augmented reality, it will not developed in the India. अभी तक इंडिया में डेवलप नहीं हुई है. It will be developed in out of country like America, US, etc. In that, what will be happen that, for example, you are going for the market, not a market, in a mall, and you can see that some of the animals come throughout you. Not only animals, other person, you can say that they are just came to you and it will be look real, but they are not real or not really there. That is one of the example of augmented reality. Second example, there are such applications developed. Whenever you take your, please mute yourself. Whenever you open your that application and take your camera with the particular object or particular thing, you can see in the image also, it will be show the proper price or the discount on the other applications to you. That is a one digital element used in the reality. So what is the, please mute yourself. What is augmented reality? In case of augmented reality, also called the AR, VR means virtual reality, AR means augmented reality, interactive digital elements such as graphics, sounds, and touch feedback are added into the our real world environment to create an enhanced user experience. If you don't understood of, or if you want to see the demo video of that, that is also available on your between us पे already available ही है. If you are not able to see it, you can message me, I will be send that these three example videos, virtual reality, artificial intelligence and augmented reality videos in a group. So it will be easy to understood with from the example what is these three things. ये क्या है, किस तरह से यूज होती है, किस तरह से दिखती है. If you see the video, it's very clear to you what about these three concepts. Now, I request to everyone, please open your textbook. Okay, on the textbook page number 86, there is a one example, one task is given to you. You have to search for this argument reality, Google Pixels, Star Wars stickers, Disney coloring book, and Tinkle comics on the Google. You have to search for that and you have to view for that. Now we are going to solve the exercise. Everyone, please open the page number 87. Question number 1. Blank is a category of e-commerce where customers sell products or service to other customers. What will be the answer? Customer sell and customer receive. Yes, answer is the customer to customer. Write down. Yes, customer to customer. B. Online stores rely on the service provider called blank that processes credit card payment for e-business and online retailers. Yes, answer is the payment gateway provider. C. The blank are a series of digital audio files that are broadcast on the internet and are available for downloading to the computer or the mobile services. Remember the word audio files. ऑडियो फाइल्स किसमें आती थी? पॉडकास्ट. Yes, podcast. D. The blank uses your existing natural environment and simply overlays virtual information on top of it. Answer is augmented reality. Question number 2. Answer the following. A. Explain the advantages of e-money over the debit card or credit card. What do you think? You can tell me on your words. I will be send the answers to you. Tell me in your words. Yes, yeah, I will be sure. What is the difference between the e-money and debit or the credit card? Are you able to hear me? Remember, I'm telling I will be share the recorded video of this. E-card means electronic money. Sorry, e-money means electronic money. For that, we don't need any of hard cash or not need any debit or credit card. So we can do the payment easily. For example, Paytm, PayPal, these are the example of the e-money. D. Describe three areas where artificial intelligence is developed. B. Describe the three areas where artificial intelligence being developed, that is given on your page number 85. These are the this impact of the artificial intelligence. You can write down any three from this. Next, explain what is virtual reality. also given on your textbook on the sorry. This is the definition of virtual reality. You can write down this first two paragraph in the answer. Next, huh? Page number 57 is given. First two paragraphs you have to be write down. Virtual reality refers to the use of computer technology to create an artificial or simulated environment where users are fully immersed. Users make use of eye goggles, special gloves, headphones, and powerful computer to get the feeling reality. D. What is the difference between the virtual reality and augmented reality? Remember, virtual reality creates the completely the artificial environment that provides immersive experience, while augmented reality overlay the new information on the top of existing environment by using a camera, smartphone, or other devices. In a one movie, I can remember one thing in which the argument reality is used. That is movie of Salman Khan. What is the name of that? Yes, the movie Cake. In that you can see that Salman Khan will be walk away, but he is not there. That is example of argument reality. He used some of the cameras who show the shadow of him at the end of the movie. It will be there when the inspector is watching, keep watch on the Salman Khan. So that time he is using the argument reality, which is very useful for him, and he go away to the villain. I remember that example. E. Your school plans to start a blog. Explain the different ways in which blogging can be used in the school. What should you have to do to start a blog? What should you firstly tell me? What should you have to be put in the blog? आपको क्या क्या रखना पड़ेगा blog में? अपने स्कूल का blog बनाना हो तो firstly you have to share the photos of classroom events that will be held in your school on the blog. Then teachers can be share the resources, assignments, events, and the communication with the parent and the student also using of the blog, increase the writing skills. These are all the came in the blogging. Okay, try to solve the lab activity.